Hey, good morning everybody. Well, it's morning here right now. It probably won't be morning when you're watching this. I don't know, could be. But anyway, good whatever time it is to you guys. So, got my breakfast started. I'm about to chow that down. I was gonna give a quick apology for missing you guys last week. You know, sometimes life just gets in the way. We all have families, we all have like full-time jobs. Unfortunately, YouTube isn't a full-time gig for us. So, we'll start this video off by saying my sincerest apology. Sincerest apologies. Sincerest apologies. God dang, can't even talk. Anyway, today's Saturday shenanigans. I think we got a special little treat though for the Teryx today. And I know there's a bunch of parts we got for the trike, but y'all gonna have to wait on that. So yeah, today's just kind of follow along and see what we get done. I know the Rhino, like I said, needs to get tore apart. We need to get the parts out of the Miata, and we'll see if we get to Teryx, and we'll pick up on the trike here after a bit. So we'll see you guys here for a while. So I'm gonna pick back up once we start getting stuff moving around and actually start doing things again. So give me just a bit. It's like take 5 at this point. Anyway, I'll see you guys in just a second.
Meanwhile.
Boom. And what we got, man? We got some brand new 6-inch portals. Just jump right into the good stuff. See here, some torque warnings, gear oil. Woohoo! Wee baby. Shiny. Too bad they won't be like that for long, but for now it's cool. Ah! Frame stiffener. Frame stiffener there. Say you're supposed to have this one running portals. I've been running that one without frame stiffener and portals for, I don't know, 3 years. Haven't had an issue, but it was only like $100, so I went ahead and got it just for now. Ah. Golly. Look at these bad boys. That's the new rotors. Hell yeah. That's good stuff there. This thing's huge compared to the ones I got. I mean, hard to tell here, but these are way bigger. That's what I got. I guess time to get started on it. I got the portals to put on, and I got to replace one of my rear axles because last ride out, got a big old stick wedged in there and it ripped the boot, and then I just rode all weekend with a ripped boot, so now this axle down here in the back is making a lot of noise. So good thing is that I have some used stock axles I got laying around. Picked them up, figured at some point I would need some spares, so pop that in there and get the portals on. So let's just do it.
Two portals off. Sure. And now new portals on. Yep. Now we just gotta do the frame stiffener and then put the new portals on. Sick. And we just gotta go throw these pieces of junk in the trash.
Throw them in the trash.
Yeah, because the fucking garbage. Garbage. Well, insert time lapse or slow movie scenes. I don't know. I don't know what we do anymore.
I got time lapse going right now.
Oh, sick. More time lapse.
So, yep. We'll just keep going at it. Try to get this front knocked out and then move on to the back.
It's so beauty.
Yeah.
I can't even construct sentence.
6.
That's beefy, dude.
All the pieces.
It makes the other ones look entirely way smaller than they are. I mean, granted, I know it is 2 inches, but it's like, it's fucking massive.
Yeah, it's a big difference. They know the difference. Then we're just gonna torque this here down to 300 foot-pounds. That feels like 300 foot-pounds. Calibrated perfectly.
Got a built-in red beard. Sick.
Sick!
Beefy. 6 hours later.
Yeah, no doubt. After we got it figured out that we had the wrong portal in
Yeah, I mean, it's almost like if they came assembled,
there, that would be a lot better.
it would have been way better.
Most of this could come assembled. That's what I don't understand. Like the drain plugs could be in it, the portals could be mounted to the brackets, the steering arm could be mounted to the bracket, you know, and then all
That way.
you do is put the center cap over the axle and the rotor, you know, but instead it's almost every piece that could possibly come in, it comes in.
Can't be too easy.
No.
You gotta really want it.
So yeah.
On top of paying $3,500, you really gotta grab every single tool that you own.
Yeah, all your tools and dedicate a whole day to it. Or if you know where your tools are, unlike us, if your tools are organized, it might go a little faster.
Beauty.
Yeah.
Just some good beef.
It's like Arby's. It's got the meat.
It's got the meat. Oh, look, you showed up.
We're talking about we got it done.
Yeah.
Because I showed up. Yay. Beer time.
Insert applause. Crickets.
Where's the Rich Rollins? Woo! Beer time.
No cares.
Now the rears. But, I don't know if we're gonna do the rears today. I know you were really motivated, but I also see that you have a beer in your
Well, I
hand.
figured I'd just take a quick break.
Do they ever,
The rears
do they
are
ever?
easy, man. It's just
Your wife is side-eyeing you so fucking bad right
the
now.
rears are gonna be done. I gotta do
I
this.
just, quick
I'm
break.
excited how the front came out, how big it looks. I want to do the rears. If I got the 8-inch portals, I'd have to get 22-inch wheels, and then it's a whole.
Okay, no 8-inch portals. It's a 6-inch lift on top of them.
I might eventually do that. It depends. Y'all keep the side jobs coming my way. Y'all keep you repairing your stuff.
You
having
keep buying
stuff up.
side shit off me?
Let's do it.
Yeah, keep doing it so Aaron can upgrade his shit, and I could just take all of his old shit.
I'd like
I mean-
to give a shout out to all the people that brought me their stuff to get fixed and get beefed up and accessories, everything, because it pays for my habit.
This is not what y'all paid for. Y'all paid for a dually sitting on the other side of a wall right here.
Yeah, there's the door.
On the other side of this wall, there's a brand new dually that, not brand new, but
not brand
new to
new.
him.
It's brand new to you.
Me.
Yeah.
Which is going to be my new tote bag. So,
You need to get one of those ramps that go up, and you can just park the Teryx on top of the truck.
Go for a high five. I thought you were just
that might be a
trying to cover my
possibility.
face from the
Depends
camera.
on if I get a
you on that
trailer or not.
information. We need tow pig.
Well,
Let's get these rears done. I mean, get out of here and drink beer.
Mama, look. It's like that's the floor.
Mama.
Let's do it.
Hello.
Trademark. Copyright. As normal, we gave up. Well, we got him off. I say we, Aaron.
Yeah, I beat them off of there. Beat them off. Well, I will say that the other side, I wish I would have started with that because they came right off. There was no problem. So 50% ain't bad.
So what exactly happened on this one?
Okay,
It still has the axle in.
so this one here with the axle in it, I left the axle in it because it is trashed anyways. So I have a replacement that I've already popped into place there. But basically the bolts, they have this sleeve that goes in here, and the bolts were seized to that and they wouldn't come out.
Yeah, October's were like
So I had to beat on them and beat on them and beat on them. I finally got the top one out. The bottom one, I just broke the bolts and then had to pry and wedge and bend the A-arm tabs to get it out, but I got it out.
nothing better than put my fucking O's on.
So it was a huge pain. So now I can't get the bushings out of these.
So you have to get new
I
bushings.
gotta get new bushings,
New
and
bolts.
new bolts, and then I can put the rear quarters on.
Pumpkin spice, fucking white claw.
And they're metric, so I have to find metric bolts.
Well, I told you to just keep it as is. You said no. And this is God punishing you.
Yeah.
So,
I
yeah.
think I have at the house. I think I have the factory rear hubs that I took off pretty new to when I bought the Teryx. So hopefully I can salvage the bushings out of those. If not, then I'll get new bushings. But I might even have the bolts with them. I don't know.
Let's go.
I'm gonna have to find out.
You have to yell all the time.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Hey, we're filming here. Rude.
There's no ants in here.
I like how the
So-
quietest one you point out. It's the noise is up here.
I was just looking at general direction.
So you gotta get all that new stuff.
chilling on a rocket ship.
Gotta get a bunch of new stuff, get it figured out, and
Favorite rockets out.
I'll get it put back together. So until then,
Little Einsteins.
this is where it's at. This is what we got.
We just never plan on riding again, so we're just gonna put everything on jack stands and just leave it as is.
Yeah.
And we're gonna be like your neighbors down the street and put a sign and say, hey, you want some happiness in your life?
Free
Free
stuff.
boat. Free Teryx. You have to pay shipping.
Yeah.
Sick. Sick. Well, we'll catch you next year when we finish this. So,
Get you back up with us next year.
yeah.
Yay, right?
This has been a
2025.
2025.
Yeah, you cut my
Look forward to that riding season.
Yeah, we're not gonna make it a rednecks.
Hey, when are we working on the track again?
Thanks, man.
Oh man, we got to try.
So yeah, we lied. We're not wrapping this video just yet. We're finishing this thing. Okay, I gotta finish this with the old iPhone, kicking it old school to when we first started because the camera's dead. So yeah, we lied. Here is the actual end of this video. While sitting on the ground, I decided to come out. They found hardware today. Today is Sunday. They started this yesterday, obviously Saturday. But I decided to come out. It's gonna lend a hand. By the time I got here though, this one was already done. And not really much I could do on that one, I guess. So I'm just here.
Yeah.
How do you like it though? Are you happy with your purchase or?
Yeah, man. I mean, I didn't realize that 2 inches of portal's gonna make a big difference.
I should have
but
left it the way you were going.
Yeah.
Every guy says that. I didn't know 2 inches made that big a difference.
2 inches makes a huge difference. To all the guys watching, you know what I'm
Just keep that
talking
in mind.
about.
Huge.
Yeah. It's
Yeah,
a
look
lot
at this
bigger.
though. Like,
A lot more clearance.
God dang, these are 35, BKT 35s. I mean, look at the clearance. Now he can get 37s. So you like them though? You're happy with it?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Everything on the Gen 3s is just a much improved design.
Plus you get the lifetime warranty, so I'm happy. Happy boy.
So, I don't know, did y'all talk about yesterday while I was gone where these are going? These old ones? Okay, cool. We had to need a little break from the trike anyway, not much is going on there, but now we have parts for the trike so we can get back to that.
Yeah. Get on the trike, start working on that, and in the meantime, making these
Go to their new home.
Their new home. And then we have maybe the bus, maybe the dually. We have the Rhino that's getting worked on.
Oh yeah, by the way, they didn't know anything about the dually, so
Oh yeah.
we can get to that.
Yeah. Well, there's
That's a long story to go with that, but we'll get to that when we actually start filming on that.
We'll get to that at some point. Just know there's lots of stuff.
God, your daughter's...
What are you doing?
Okay, I'm gonna try to flip this around. You take care, you be a parent. I don't know if you can see me, I had to flip my phone literally around 180. So yeah, terrible guy was out yesterday, which you guys saw late to the party. But he got this done, him and Alan got this out of the park. Now it's time to move on to some of the other stuff. He got it, as far as the Teryx goes, he has to get a new system for it. And some other little odds and ends, nothing major, but that was the biggest key part, I would say, was these portals. So we'll let you guys know how the 6s do off-road. Shouldn't be much of a difference. The reduction is still the same as the 4s. You just got a little bit bigger portal. So anyway, you got questions on install or anything like that, obviously get in the comments or shoot us a message directly. Again, I'm sorry for the phone being all shaky. Had to go old school on this, but if you got this far, we appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Check out some of our other videos, and we'll see you on the next one.